Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Facebook page to Instagram. So for this, first of all, just open up the Instagram application. Then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner and tap on these three bars in the upper right corner and go for this settings and privacy. Now in settings and privacy, you have to scroll down until you find this section how other can interact with you, and you will find this option sharing and remixes. So just tap on it, and now you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom and you will find this see apps. Just tap on this see apps, and now you can see this Facebook. You just have to tap on it and it will take you here. Now you can select any of your page you want to link with Instagram. After selecting the page, you just have to tap on done and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can connect Facebook page to Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.